Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Creating with Donna, and you're getting a bird's eye view of my craft room disaster. First, I wanted to just say, hey, I'm back everybody. Hopefully this goes as I planned. I have a haul for you from Joann's. As you know, they're going out of business. This is my squat chair from Vever. It goes up and down, and it goes really low to the ground. I got that so I could clean out kitchen cabinets. But here's the desk. Yes, I even have pink trash can liners. This is the desk. I just wanted to show this to you guys. Never mind all the stuff. I got this at Michael's a couple weeks ago for 50% off. I think it was 12 bucks. And then that's a wreath I got from Temu. And of course, you all have seen you've seen my cabinet. That's going to get painted and overhauled, just so you know. There's my TV, and there's my two trolleys. And then there's my rest of the desk. But the desk is really cute. And like I have it covered with a lot of junk right now. But, you know, got me a nice calendar up there. Got me a nice pretty little clock. And I got that vase and those flowers from Temu. And all of my rolls of paper in there. And then here's my bookcase that I redid. And I'm going to put some flowers on it. Let me show you those. I got this roll of, let me find it. Here it is. The rubber ones. It's like pink roses. I'm going to put that down the sides of the bookcase there. Let me lay this big D back down. And then over here we have my desk. And this is some of the packaging I got. I got tape for my packaging. And then I got this washi to put on the packages as well. And then, of course, I've got stuff here and over here. Of course, I got paint where I'm still not done with everything yet. There's the jewelry. I picked this up from eBay. It's like a Singer drawer that went in an old sewing machine. Here's my little gift boxes. Ain't they cute? My thank you cards, the washi. And then these will be what I put the pins in. I'm going to make jewel pins, purse dangles, journal dangles, wristlets, and quilted wallets, or like coin purses that go with the wristlets for right now. And then this was some stuff I got from Temu. Basically big doilies, little doilies, and then like some of these. Those will go in my dining room cabinet once I get it redone. And then I redid my lamp last week. And then here is my sewing desk. Got me a new sewing thing. This was $59.99 at Joann's, and I got it for $35. Which I didn't think it was bad because it's really big. It's like a foot high and 15 inches across probably. Here's my curtain that I put. This is actually a curtain from Temu. It's one of those, let me sit down. It's one of those valances that's, what's it called? See where that is right here? You pull that up and it makes it curvy like that. But I just put that around the base of my table. And right now it don't look the greatest because I don't have it quite finished. But I wanted to share my Joann's haul with you guys. So let me, I'm just going to hold the camera. I'm sorry if it's not stable. I got my new Janome sewing machine that my friend Lisa gave to me, and I've got it all set up and I've been using it, and I really, really, really like it. This jewelry, or this crystal thing, is what my buttons are in. So let's get started. Okay, here's some jewels that I picked up at Joann's. They were 40% off. The big ones that you see here, these great big ones, those will be what goes on, well, all of the stuff, but I needed some great big ones. I've got them ordered for the pens, the ink pens. I know Miss Trish will love that purple. And then, of course, you know me, I love pink. And then I had to get blingy ones. These are faceted, so they're really sparkly. So I got those, and then I got some of these that sort of look like iridescent. So I only got 4 strands because I didn't feel like these were really a great sale, but whatever. And then I got key rings. This will go on my end of my wristlets. This is the beginning. Here's a wristlet. I haven't got my hardware yet. So as you can see, it'll be a wristlet, and then I'm going to be making little coin purses that you can attach. Here's lobster claws in gold and silver. Those will go on the end of the wristlets, and the purse jewels. So the purse jewels are really, really pretty. So I got some gold stems, and I got a heavier gauge jump ring. And this heavier gauge jump ring. If you use those real flimsy jump rings that are real, I mean, they're going to break off. So I'm just not about that. I have me a tube turner around thing. This was on clearance. These are really great for turning like scrunchy tubes inside out. And fat quarters, I got this. I felt like was the perfect for whatever. This blue, I love this. It reminds me of China. You know how much I love the blue and white stuff. And then this pink. It's a real muted pink. I think it's really pretty, but it's just a plain old pattern. And then I found this sunflower. I think sunflower patterns are real popular. And 2 of my jewelry pieces, tools that I have were messed up. They're not working the way they're supposed to be. So I got all 5 of these. This was $30 on the shelf. And when I got up there and he rang it up, it was $10. So I was like, are you joking? Like, yeah, I'll take it. So I had him ring everything up so I could see how much I was getting off of everything. And then I got these fat quarters. You get 5 different patterns. And so I have a gray polka dot. I don't know if that's just straight white in there or not, but there's a gray check, a black check, and a white with polka dots. I felt like that was sort of universal. Everybody would like it. So that's that. And then I got this yellow. These are the patterns. That's the yellow. And then one of them is like, that pattern, like octagon, like honeycomb. And then we've got this one with like the orange diamonds. And then this one is that, and then that. So the yellow, my grandbaby loves yellow. She's went to pink like her mama, but she still loves the yellow. And I just felt like, you know, these fat quarters, they're 18 by 21 inches. You can make wristlets out of these all day long. Like, seriously. I got this because I felt like the teachers out there would love it. Thought that was really cute. And then I love this for spring. So these will be wristlets and coin purses. So I haven't started on my coin purses yet, but I'm going to sew up, probably try to use up all this fabric. It will probably take me a good while just to get this stuff made up, a bunch of it tagged and put up in the shop. So I'm probably going to do a lot of made to order stuff for now because there's no use for me. You know what I'm saying? It's like, if you want something, tell me, I'll make it and ship it to you. It's that simple. So, and this stuff will be on my Ko-fi shop. So it's Ko-fi, ko-fi.com/creating with Donna. So there's that. And I also did pick up some black thread and some yellow thread because I'm about out of black, I think. And a couple of things I wanted to share as well. Let me stand up here. See, here's my pile of stuff that I've got. And then this has a snap. I love this. It is so big. Got a big string here. Well, that's cracked. I didn't see that. I'll have to put some E6000 on that. But it's deep. I really like that a lot. Of course, there ain't going to be nothing in there. It's going to be real heavy anyway. So, there's that. I just thought you all would want to see that. And I did want to share. Let me flip this around. An update. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm back. Probably just once a week. And I have to do it at certain times because Mom keeps the TV up so loud, like literally full blast, and you can hear it inside my videos. So anyway, things are going good. It's been rough. I'm not even going to lie. It's been very mentally draining on me. And I'm just doing the best I can. And I just hope that you all will hang around and be here for this journey. I'm still doing junk journaling, but right now I'm trying to get a side hustle going. So when I get ready to retire, I have something a little bit to fall back on. But there's the update and my craft room. I told you all I would show you an update. Isn't that beautiful? That's my curtain I put up. I thought that was so pretty. There's my new hair, y'all. And then my cat, that's going to be white. And everywhere you see that's got sort of like an orange stripe on it, all the orange, that will be rose gold. But, a big case, those are diapers. But you will be seeing the transition of the china cabinet. You will be seeing me hang up my decor in here. Right now, I don't have any decor hung up. I haven't had a chance to get that far. I mean, it took me forever just to get the curtains changed out, get my lamp done, get this put together, get my sewing machines out. I mean, it took me a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, spread it around that I'm back. Like I said, this is a short video, but I had promised you this last week, and there was no way. It was just a hot mess and situation here, but everything's going okay. I'm back to work. I've been back to work for a month, and I will be doing another video, maybe even later today or tomorrow. I like to do them whenever nobody's here, and right now Dad's down at the camp, and I'm here by myself, so it's nice and quiet. But I want to do one on camera and update you all on everything. But I am still living with Mom and Dad, and this is a permanent situation, and she's at respite today. And it's just been a lot. I'll put it that way. And I appreciate y'all understanding and still reaching out and saying hi to me. I appreciate each and every one of you for doing that. You don't know how much it means to me, really, mentally. You don't know how much it means to me, and I appreciate it. So I will see you guys on the next one. It will probably be showing off some of my purse charms, journal charms, and wristlets. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.